If you're relocating to Florida and searching for a community that offers so much more than just a new home, welcome to Astor Creek Golf and Country Club here in Port St. Lucie. This is the Treasure Coast's newest and most exclusive luxury country club, featuring gorgeous new construction homes, a championship golf course, and resort-style amenities that make every day feel like a vacation. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate expert here in Port St. Lucie, and in this video, I'm going to give you an inside look at why Astor Creek is quickly becoming the go-to destination for golfers and luxury home buyers relocating to Florida. So the model we are walking up to now is called the Farnese, and it is a highly customizable floor plan that you can build here in Astor Creek. As shown, the home was designed with 3 bedrooms and a study, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,100 square feet under air, but there's also the option for a tandem garage for a golf cart, or leaving some of the rooms open for a formal dining room space or flex room. You have a long foyer as you walk in, leading to the heart of the home with the gourmet kitchen and great room with views of your very own screened and extended covered pool. The primary suite is also in the back of the home for more privacy and has a bay window overlooking the lake with a deep walk-in closet and extended walk-in shower. At Astor Creek, residents experience a private golf community where modern design meets resort-style living. Anchored by an 18-hole championship golf course, Astor Creek is truly a golfer's haven. From the 15-acre driving range to the expansive putting greens and short game complex, every detail has been crafted for players who appreciate both challenge and beauty. But Astor Creek is far more than just a golf community. It is a lifestyle destination. The centerpiece of the neighborhood is a brand new clubhouse featuring elegant dining options, a lively sports bar, a full-service golf shop, and spaces designed for community gatherings and private events. For recreation and wellness, residents enjoy a resort pool with lap lanes and beach entry, tennis and pickleball courts. The state-of-the-art fitness center and event lawn brings neighbors together for an active, social, and engaging lifestyle. Located right here in Port St. Lucie, Astor Creek offers residents a sense of serenity and exclusivity while keeping them just minutes from the beaches, marinas, shopping, and dining that define Florida's coastal lifestyle. Thinking about making a move to the Treasure Coast? Whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood to navigating new construction to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. When you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. So if you're looking for a luxury lifestyle with brand new construction, championship golf, and resort-style amenities, Astor Creek Golf and Country Club here in Port St. Lucie might just be your perfect Florida destination. If you're considering a move here and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.